Hey, what's going on, guys? As you guys can see, we are currently outside at Staples. Really excited to be doing this video. We will be getting the Beats Fit Pro. We're just gonna do a little unboxing review, check it out, see what's going on. So let's go inside, see if they have them. If they don't, we can run to the source, which is right back there in red. So yeah, let's get it. Subscribe, share, like, comment if you haven't already, and go get your Tech Review merch. So let's go inside. Excuse me. Do you guys have the Beats Fit Pros here?
Right?
The Beats Fit Pros, do you guys have them? Those ones right there. Okay. Thank you.
These ones?
Yep.
Yeah, looks like we should have one pair left.
In all colors?
Oh, well, at least in that color, whatever that is, gray, black, and pink.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
Golden.
Alright, good news, guys. They have them, so I'm still undecided on which color I should get. I will probably go with the Sage Gray just to match the new Surface Laptop Go that I'm gonna get. So make sure to go check out the Surface Laptop Go video if you haven't already. So that's the plan. Beats Fit Pro in Sage Gray, $250. It's all worth it though. Let's go. People, we secured the goods, the Beats Fit Pro, and hold on, we're filming on the iPhone 14 Pro front camera, and just look at the autofocus on there. It's a beautiful camera, guys. Let's go back in the studio and unbox and review it. All right, so we got the box right over here, a nice little black box. Could just unseal it right there. Have a nice Beats logo right there. Nice looking unboxing experience. We have the Beats case right when we unbox it. The sage gray color looks and feels really good in the hands. Comes with USB-C, which is really nice. Under the simple cover, we have the USB-C cable, which is pretty good. So happy that Beats and Apple gave us USB-C instead of micro USB or Lightning. Then we have Apple Music for free, little packet of information. That's pretty much it. We also have the Beats sticker on there. And there are the gems, the Beats Fit Pro. What do you guys think? You like the look? Let me know in the comment section below. So once you open the flap up, automatically connects to your iPhone. Just go through that little setup process. You can personalize spatial audio, which is pretty nice. And then it scans your face, your ears, and all of that, just to make sure it has a nice fit, 3D and everything. Pretty cool technology. So as you guys can see, I'm just scanning my right and left ear. That's pretty much it. You're good to go after that. So let's go. Alright, so what do I think about the Beats Fit Pro? In all honesty, there's really only two things that bother me. The first thing being that you cannot charge it via wireless charging or MagSafe, which basically means that you cannot use a wireless charger to charge it. You are only able to charge it with the provided USB-C cable through the USB-C port here at the back of the case. I do give big shout out to Beats and Apple though for providing USB-C cable, because now in this day and age, we tend to see lots of companies, lots of products giving us micro USB or Lightning, for example. And come on now, we're in 2023, almost in 2023, and we're still getting micro USB. Let's just give USB-C. It's not that much more expensive. If not, it's the same price. So I'm really happy to see that Beats and Apple gave us the USB-C on the Beats Fit Pro. Now, the second thing I kind of don't really like about the Beats Fit Pro, and maybe this is just me personally, is the fact that when you stick it into your ears, you could really see them sticking out, especially if you're looking at the person face to face. But I think that once you find that nice placement in your ear, make sure the wingtip is nice and snug in there and adjust it properly, they're going to be really snug in there and they won't be as evident. So it's just matters of looking at yourself in the mirror, adjusting them really quickly and getting used to it. And from there on out, you're going to be completely fine and it won't look like big balls sticking out of your ears. And you might be wondering, Alex, why didn't you go with the AirPods? And in all honesty, I was very tempted to go for the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen, the ones that just came out. But I was like, hold on, wait a minute.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
I took a little step back, just like James Harden.
I thought it was gonna be.
And I looked at what was more convenient and not trendy. Because nowadays, people are just gonna grab these white sticks off of apple.com, stick them into their ears. Started a few years back and it has continued, and I'm not surprised if it'll continue for the next few years. So many people just take what is trendy, what's out on the market, what's flashy. They don't look at what's more convenient for them. For me personally, I wanted something that worked really good for the gym, but also provided that nice lifestyle look as well as good audio quality. It's exactly what these Beats Fit Pro provide. Thanks to the nice wingtips in here, they stick right into your ear, and as much as you can move, they are not falling out. You could be playing basketball, you could be going for a run, you could be doing an intense cardio workout, and as much as your head shakes, as much as your body shakes, the earbuds are not shaking out. Now, talking about audio quality, it's really rich sounding and nice. Now, if you've ever heard AirPods, it kind of sounds exactly like that, except it's more bass heavy, which is pretty nice. And with the nice wingtip and the nice earbud tips, it really makes it feel more condensed and rich in your ears. So it sounds very pure, really rich, accurate sound quality. Now, these earbuds also come with active noise cancellation, also known as ANC, and transparency mode. So active noise cancellation works great on these earbuds, and I really appreciate this feature because you could be traveling, you could be commuting to work, you could be in a busy environment and you're just over it. You just want to listen to your music, get onto that phone call with grandma, and make sure that there's nothing coming from your outside environment interrupting your listening experience. These Beats Fit Pro work amazing. I've been in airports, I've been in public transportation, I've been in busy environments, but whenever I turn on ANC on these Beats Fit Pro, the outside world goes silent. Make sure to go stream World Gone Silent by Faja on Spotify. Anyways, transparency mode on these earbuds works amazing. Sometimes you're in a busy environment, you want to be listening to your music, but you also want to make sure that a little bit of the sound from outside comes in so you could be aware of your surroundings, but it doesn't completely block out the sound of your audio listening experience. And transparency mode works great on these earbuds. Now, trust me, I've listened to a bunch of trash transparency mode on many various earbuds. And I can say the Beats Fit Pro have the best transparency mode that I've ever listened on earbuds. The reason I say that is because, as I mentioned, you're in a busy environment, you want to know what's going on, you want to know if there's a cop right behind you, you want to know if there's a train or car coming by, you want to know what's going on, you want to know if there's somebody walking behind you. Just want to be safe, you want to be aware of your surroundings, especially in a busy environment. And whatever sound that these earbuds pick up, make sure to transmit it into your listening experience, but also not bother or mess up your audio listening experience to the music or phone call you're doing. So all in all, these two features work great and offers really good audio listening experience. Now, what about the microphone quality? The microphone quality sounds super good. Now, I've been on many calls, many video conferences with these earbuds, and people haven't been able to tell where my microphone quality is coming from. People have seen me with this, people have seen me with my normal laptop microphone, people have seen me with my phone microphone. People have also seen me with this, and they can't tell the difference because it sounds so good. It sounds amazing. It sounds just like a studio microphone. Hey, get it? Anyways, Beats Fit Pro microphone, amazing. Voice isolation, amazing. Wide spectrum, amazing. It all sounds great. Anyways, all in all, that's my quick experience and review on the Beats Fit Pro. Amazing sound and microphone quality that will never disappoint. Works great for the gym as well as lifestyle, traveling, on the go. This is your go-to earbud. Now, I've talked with a friend that mentioned that these earbuds are only meant for the gym. And although I disagree with him, I can see where he's coming from. AirPods look nice, they kind of have that luxurious feel, but in all honesty, I'm kind of tempted to say that the Beats Fit Pro are better than AirPods. And hey, all you white stick ear users, come at me. Come at me. I know you're not so pleased with me saying this, but the Beats Fit Pro are kind of better than the AirPods. That's just my personal opinion. They sound great. They look great. The wingtip is what makes it 100% better. Now, the only thing I could see the AirPods winning over here is the fact that obviously they're Apple branded, but taken. These are Beats by Dr. Dre. They're lined with Apple. They have a Kim Kardashian, LeBron James partnered with them. It's all cool. They have all that cool branding. But the thing that really stands out to me that makes them like 1% tier down than the AirPods is the fact they don't have wireless charging. But I feel like if they have wireless charging, they would be too much of a competition with the AirPods. So if you're looking for great earbuds in this $250, $300 price range that offers great sound and microphone quality, that works great for every circumstance you're in, and they're also water and dust resistant, I think these are the ones to go. Anyways, this has been Alex from Techrific. That's pretty much it. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below, and share. And I thank you for joining me on this nice little unboxing vlog review thingy-majig of the Beats Fit Pro. Anyways, that's it from me. Oh great, let's hope I didn't break them. All for views, eh?